I found out that I wanted to be a doctor when my father was diagnosed with cancer. And then I started thinking maybe I could use that to help people. Maybe not just by being a doctor and helping each individual at a time, but to help create things that could help a lot of people at the same time. Medical imaging is the cornerstone of diagnosis, of staging, of treatment follow-up. Imaging is what enables all the new treatments that we have. When medical diagnosis is done well, it's pretty exciting because you can see the full potential of radiology. Yeah, radiology has a huge problem today. The demand for radiology exams keeps increasing every year, but the number of radiologists is not increasing at the same pace. So what we're seeing today is a pressure for productivity, which leads to increased burnout in our profession. When I started working with AI, I had the opportunity to participate in AI competitions. And that's when I joined this volunteer work at RSNA to help develop new AI competitions. I started working with innovation and AI in DASA, a large health system in Brazil. I also had the privilege to be invited to be a visiting professor at the Mayo Clinic to talk about AI in emergency medicine. And right now I'm joining Eden. My role at Eden is to help build this future, to leverage the technology that already exists, to develop foundation models. Foundation models are large AI models that are trained also on large amounts of data. And the difference in doing that is that we get models that are easier to adapt for downstream tasks. I think Eden is uniquely positioned to solve this problem because Eden has access to a large, diverse data set, which is necessary to build these models that generalize. And Eden also has a PACS, which allows us to create different types of integration that is seamless to radiologists, that actually helps. And what excites me more is to work with people who are excited about this, people who have the skills to solve this, and people who have the right mindset to solve this problem. In the next 24 months, we will be working on curating a large data set, developing these models, defining a validation strategy, and also testing them in practice to measure the value that they can bring, both in terms of time gains, but also in diagnostic accuracy. When we achieve this, diagnosis will be more available to more people in a faster way, in a more accurate way. I see the current state of AI in medical imaging as a huge opportunity. We have barely scratched the surface of what's possible. And at Eden, we will go to the deepest